Hello, I'm Otto Uchiumi. Welcome to the joy of crafting. After you've played miniature games for a while, you may want to play on more visually appealing game boards. Today, in just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to craft both light and heavy woods for your Battletech game for just a few dollars. The first thing we'll need to do is pull out these nuts and spray them with brown spray paint. These are 1/4-inch Hex Nuts. Just give them a little spray and then set them to the side for now. Next we'll be measuring the height we want our tree. Bring out a mech and an old miniature brush with a tapered end. Hold the brush to the base of the table and then put 2 marks on the handle. One for the top of where we want our tree and then one for the trunk. I'd recommend measuring with a few mechs to make sure the height is as tall as you like. I made mine a bit short for this first batch, but that's okay. It was a happy little accident. To create our tree shape, we take a green pipe cleaner and make our trunk by bending it at the first notch, then winding the rest of the wire around the handle. I like to focus the winds around the bottom of the tree so it looks a bit more natural, but you can do as you like. It's your world. You're the creator. If you want a bigger tree, like one to decorate a heavy woods tile, you can cut a second pipe cleaner in half and use it to bulk out what you already have. Once you've gotten to the end, tuck the tail in on itself to secure it and then shape it a bit with your fingers. The trunk of the tree is shaped by taking a candle or a lighter and burning off the fuzz on the end of the trunk. I did this first one as an example in our studio, but you should do it outside as fire and houses tend to not mix very well. Next we'll form the leaves of the trees. We'll take some white glue and mix it thoroughly into the fuzzy parts of the pipe cleaner. Then take our flocking and get that onto our tree. The flocking was a custom dyed light color for the light woods and a darker color for the heavy woods. If you're curious on how to make your own for just a couple of cents, see our flocking guide on this channel. After our trees have dried for a few hours, we'll assemble them by pulling our nuts back out and putting some hot glue into the center. Then we'll place our tree into it and hold on to it till it cools. You can blow on them gently if you want to speed up the cooling process. Once we've hot glued all our trees, we'll take a cheap brown 60-cent acrylic paint and paint over the trunk, glue, and the base before leaving it to dry. And in a fun afternoon, you can have a set of happy little trees all of your own. If you'd like to see more tutorial videos, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe.
Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with a cold hard hatred. I could feel